Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can hide posts from a specific person on Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook application on your phone, and after that, you can click on this button. Then scroll down your screen until you find settings and privacy, and you just have to tap on it. And after that, you can click on settings right here and scroll down until you find audience and visibility setting, and it's right here. And after that, you are going to click on post. Okay, and if you want to hide posts from specific person, you have to change the setting. You can click on this option, and we're going to change from public to friends accept, and just click on friends accept option, and you can choose the accounts that you want to hide your posts from, and you just need to click on this checkbox like this to select the account, and after that we can click on done. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide posts from a specific person on Facebook. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.